Good evening, guys, and welcome to ML Crypto, your knowledge based and friendly crypto hub. So, today I'll be sharing with us the best trading technique employed with the Bollinger Band. I'm pretty sure there are so many videos out there telling you about things about Bollinger Band, but I'm pretty sure you've not heard what I'm going to be sharing with us tonight. Okay, this is my ETH USDT chart. Well, I'll be hitting the nail at the head. Let me go straight to the point. So we all know that Bollinger Band with the abbreviation BOLL. If you come to this indicator settings here, this is your Bollinger Band, the one with the BOLL. That's your Bollinger Band. So today I'll be discussing with us the the best trading technique employed with the Bollinger Band. I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy the video after it all. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So today we're going to, like I said earlier, let me go straight to the point. So Bollinger Band is actually one of the indicator tools used in TA analysis. It is actually used in measuring oscillator, like let me say, is an oscillatory measurer. It measures the volatility of the market. You understand me? That's what you really need to know about the Bollinger Band. It measures the volatility of the market. And the Bollinger Band is made up of three lines: the upper band or the upper line, the middle line, and the lower line or lower band. And the middle band, the normal settings or the calculations for the Bollinger Band, the middle band is a 20-day simple moving average. So it's more like a 20 period moving average. And the upper and the lower band are calculated in relation to the middle Bollinger Band. So they are more like two times the middle Bollinger Band, 2x. That's their calculation, more like standard deviation of the middle Bollinger Band. So if you go to your Bollinger Band settings, you see that the normal Bollinger Band setting is the 21 and 22. So the 22 is for the upper and the lower band, while the 21 is for the 20-day period middle Bollinger Band. But my Bollinger Band right now is not set on that 20 period simple moving average. Mine is on period 5. You understand me? That is why mine is compressed like this, but because it helps me to know the market volatility the more. So now, one thing we need to understand about the Bollinger Band is that when prices move or crosses above the middle Bollinger Band, let's say from this instance, we can see that prices began crossing above the middle Bollinger Band and they were going above, and this one even went a bit above the middle Bollinger Band. You get it. It is thought that the market is already in overbought condition or situation. You understand me? And if that happens, you as a trader you should be looking for a way to short the market. And you can see from here, you understand? Now we said from here the price crosses above the middle Bollinger Band, and they were touch the upper Bollinger Band here, touch almost crossed, then it started coming down. You can see the market came down. So if that happens, you should be looking for a short order if you're trading on futures. And if you're on spot, you should be looking for a sell order. And and as it came down, it started touching the lower Bollinger Band. It crossed below the middle Bollinger Band, coming down and touching the lower Bollinger Band. You can see it here. Touch the lower Bollinger severally. Then it now went up again. You get so when this happened, we are definitely saying that the market is in oversold condition. So you should be looking for for you to buy or long the market if this happen, and if you are trading with the Bollinger Band technique. And also another thing employed with the Bollinger Band is that if the price should rise above or move above the middle Bollinger Band, like we said from here, and 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 it touches the upper Bollinger Band, touches it severally like it happened here, we can say that the market is has found a strong resistance. You understand me? So, and if it happens, you should know that if the market should find a strong resistance, you should know that there will be change of market trend. It's more like this was going in an uptrend, then we saw a downtrend because it has found reasonable resistance here. Then we started having a downtrend, and same thing happened here. We discovered that the price went below the middle Bollinger Band and they were touching the lower band severally. It means we can say that the market has found strong support. You get, so what you should be looking for is to long or the market or look for a buy position. You understand? And we saw what happened next. Boom, and there was a rise in price. You understand? So these are the few things employed with the Bollinger Band. Then another thing, like I said, Bollinger Band is actually used to measure the oscillation of the market. Now, if you come to this place, you see there was oscillator measurer, that is volatility of the market, measures the volatility of the market. Now, if you see the bands, there was an expansion here. See, there was a little squeeze here and then expansion. So if the volatility of the market is high, we'll see that the upper and the mid the lower Bollinger Band moving away from the middle Bollinger Band. You understand me? Should I take it again? If the volatility of the market is high, we see the upper and the lower Bollinger Band moving away from the middle Bollinger Band. And when the volatility is low, you see that the upper and middle Bollinger Band the upper and the lower Bollinger Band start coming close to the middle Bollinger Band. And that is what happened here. If you can see from here, the 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 upper and the lower Bollinger Band started coming close to the middle Bollinger Band, and that is called the Bollinger Squeeze. You understand? So, and it is believed by traders that if the Bollinger Squeeze should happen, the next thing you should be waiting for should be an outburst. And the outburst happened to be a bullish outburst. That is why the candles here went green. You get, sometimes it might be a bearish outburst. It doesn't mean that if the market should, you see, it was almost happening here. The volatility was low here. There was a little burst. The next thing we saw was a downtrend. Outburst happened and the prices touched the upper band, which may indicate strong resistance and market being oversold. And boom, the next thing we saw was a downtrend. So this is what I really wanted to share with you guys concerning the Bollinger Band. But what you should know that trading or entering the market with only the Bollinger Band uh, indicator tool is not enough. You can you can combine the Bollinger Band with other indicator tools like the RSI, MACD, and all of that. It all depends on the one, but it's not advisable or it's not advised that you use only the Bollinger Band to decide the market movement. As you can see, we are having a Bollinger. We are trying to have a Bollinger squeeze here. So we should wait for an outburst. And from how the market is going, the market is going well because our KDJ is showing a good one here. Anyways, what I normally trade my Bollinger Band, I use my Bollinger Band in how I trade with my Bollinger Band is using it with the bullish engulfing candlestick. Where I have a video on that on the channel. Just check for it and watch it. I trade my Bollinger Band using the bullish engulfing candlestick. Just check out the video. You enjoy it. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, and drop your comments. Thank you.